One small seed can turn into a crisp, juicy, crunchy harvest in just a few weeks. And that is the magic of growing crunchy, sweet white radish in your garden. You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. Growing your own vegetables is one of the most satisfying experiences a gardener can have. And among the fastest and most rewarding crops is the crunchy, sweet white radish. For beginner gardeners across the United States, this root vegetable is an excellent place to start. It grows quickly, requires minimal space, and rewards you with fresh, crisp roots that taste far better than store-bought varieties. Whether you have a backyard garden, raised beds, or a few containers on your patio, crunchy sweet white radish can thrive with the right care and attention. The first step in successfully growing crunchy sweet white radish is understanding its growing environment. This vegetable loves cool weather and grows best in spring and fall in most parts of the United States. Temperatures between 50°F and 75°F provide the ideal climate for strong root development and crisp texture. When the weather becomes too hot, radishes may grow too quickly and become woody or bitter. That is why planting at the right time is essential for achieving the perfect crunchy sweetness. Light plays a major role in how well crunchy sweet white radish grows. This vegetable thrives in full sunlight, which means at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. In cooler regions, full sun throughout the day is perfect. In warmer southern states, partial shade during the hottest afternoon hours can help prevent stress and slow bolting. Sunlight supports healthy leaf growth, which in turn feeds the developing roots underground. You preparing the soil properly makes a significant difference in the quality of your harvest. Crunchy sweet white radish prefers loose, well-drained soil that allows roots to expand easily. Heavy clay soil can cause the radishes to grow misshapen or stunted. To improve soil structure, mix compost or aged organic matter into the planting area before sowing seeds. This enriches the soil with nutrients while also improving drainage and aeration. The ideal soil should feel light and crumbly when you touch it. Remove rocks and debris because obstacles in the soil can interfere with root formation. Smooth, obstruction-free soil allows the radish roots to grow straight and evenly. Planting crunchy sweet white radish seeds is simple and beginner-friendly. Direct sowing is the best method. Scatter the seeds about ½ an inch deep in rows, leaving about 1 inch between seeds. Space rows roughly 12 inches apart so the plants have enough room to grow and receive adequate airflow. After planting, gently water the soil to settle the seeds. One of the most exciting things about growing crunchy sweet white radish is how quickly the seeds germinate. Under the right conditions, tiny green sprouts may appear within 3 to 5 days. Watching these seedlings emerge is a moment that inspires many gardeners to continue growing their own food. Correct watering routine is critical for producing sweet, crisp radishes. Crunchy sweet white radish needs consistent moisture but does not like soggy soil. If the soil becomes too dry, the roots may become tough or spicy in flavor. If the soil stays overly wet, root rot or cracking can occur. The goal is to keep the soil evenly moist. Water deeply 2 or 3 times per week depending on weather conditions. During hot or windy days, you may need to water more frequently. Always check the top inch of soil before watering. If it feels dry, it is time to water again. Mulching around the plants with straw or compost can help retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. As the seedlings grow, thinning becomes important. When the plants reach about 2 inches tall, gently remove the weaker seedlings so that the remaining plants are spaced about 2 inches apart. This step gives each radish enough space to develop properly. Crowded plants compete for nutrients and water, which can result in small or poorly formed roots. Fertilizing Crunchy Sweet White Radish should be done carefully. Radishes grow quickly and usually do not require heavy feeding. Before planting, incorporating compost into the soil is often enough to support healthy growth. If your soil is poor, a light application of balanced vegetable fertilizer can help. Avoid excessive nitrogen because it encourages leafy growth rather than root development. Healthy foliage is important, but the real goal is the root. Balanced nutrition ensures the plant directs energy toward forming the crunchy white radish underground. Unlike many other vegetables, pruning is not required for radishes. However, maintaining healthy leaves is important. If you notice damaged or diseased foliage, remove it promptly to prevent problems from spreading. As the plants mature, the green leaves above the soil will grow larger and stronger. This is a sign that the radish root beneath the soil is expanding. Depending on the variety, Crunchy Sweet White Radish may be ready to harvest in as little as 25 to 40 days after planting. Knowing when to harvest is key to enjoying the best flavor. If left in the ground too long, radishes can become tough or pithy. Check the root size by gently brushing away some soil near the base of the plant. When the root reaches the desired size, usually 1 to 2 inches thick, it is ready to harvest. Harvesting Crunchy Sweet White Radish is simple. Hold the base of the leaves and pull gently upward. The entire root should slide out of the soil easily. Shake off excess soil and rinse the radish with water. Freshly harvested radishes have a crisp snap and refreshing flavor that makes them perfect for salads, sandwiches, and healthy snacks. Many gardeners enjoy eating them straight from the garden. Even though Crunchy Sweet White Radish is easy to grow, gardeners may occasionally encounter common problems. Understanding these issues helps you respond quickly and keep your plants healthy. One common issue is bolting, which happens when the plant sends up a flower stalk instead of focusing on root growth. This usually occurs when temperatures become too warm. Planting during cool seasons and providing adequate water helps prevent bolting. Another problem is cracked roots, often caused by irregular watering. When soil stays dry for long periods and then receives heavy watering, the radish roots may split. Maintaining consistent soil moisture is the best solution. Pests such as flea beetles may occasionally appear. These tiny insects create small holes in leaves. Floating row covers can protect young plants, while healthy soil and strong plant growth often minimize damage. Root maggots are another potential pest. Crop rotation and clean garden practices help reduce their presence. Avoid planting radishes in the same spot every season. Companion planting can also benefit your radish crop. Crunchy sweet white radish grows well alongside carrots, lettuce, spinach, and cucumbers. These combinations maximize garden space and support overall plant health. Growing radishes in containers is another excellent option for urban gardeners. Choose a container at least 8 inches deep and fill it with loose potting mix. Ensure the container has drainage holes so excess water can escape. Container radishes grow quickly and are perfect for balconies and patios. One of the joys of growing crunchy sweet white radish is how quickly you can repeat the process. Because the crop matures rapidly, you can plant new seeds every 2 weeks during the cool season for a continuous harvest. Gardening is not just about food, it is about connection with nature. Watching seeds sprout, leaves grow, and roots develop beneath the soil reminds us how simple yet powerful nature can be for beginners. Radishes offer quick success. They teach the basics of soil care, watering balance, and harvesting timing. Each crop builds experience and confidence. Soon you may find yourself experimenting with different varieties, companion plants, and planting schedules. The garden becomes a place of creativity, relaxation, and discovery. Imagine walking outside early in the morning, pulling a fresh, crunchy, sweet white radish from the soil, rinsing it under cool water, and tasting its crisp sweetness. That simple moment captures the joy of home gardening. With the right sunlight, proper watering, healthy soil, and a little patience, you can grow beautiful, crunchy radishes that taste incredible and nourish your family. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy every stage of the journey. Grow with Nature Nurture Hub and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more simple gardening guides designed to help beginners grow thriving gardens. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.